What's up, everybody? Sensei here. Welcome to the show. Welcome to another quick video. Again, I'm going to stick with the theme of these different recipes. This is going to be a very quick green shake. Quick. Now again, I'm going to show you how I do it. I can make this a lot faster, but I'm not, because I think some steps will get lost in the process of making a quick 60-second or 3-minute video. Number one, I'm not a nutritionist, but this is what I do to keep my body strong and keep my body fit. Okay? Greens are something you should eat every day. Kale, spinach, mustard greens, collard greens, turnip greens, parsley, cilantro, anything green. I'm telling you, it will do your body very well. And that is something that I learned off the late, great Dr. Sebi. And even growing up with my grandmother, she would always have greens, man. I'm telling you, greens are one of the most potent, nutritious things that you can put in your body. But when you don't have the fresh greens, you can rock this stuff right here. This is a kale powder. And this is a spinach powder. Now I use this stuff. These bottles or jars, whatever you want to call them, they're almost gone. This is something that you can store in your locker, keep it in your desk at work, and if you have a NutriBullet or one of those portable mixers, it will go very quick and very fast. You don't have to worry about refrigeration. So what I'm going to use is kale powder, spinach powder, some coconut water. Coconut water of your choice. You don't have to use coconut water. You can use regular water. I got 4 bananas here. And 1 lemon. It's that simple. Make sure your bananas are spotted. You can see there's spots on it. And they get really sweet. So the first thing you want to do is add your coconut water. I hear so many people say, oh, you eat too many bananas, you're going to get potassium poisoning. Really? Do your research before you start making statements like that. Now, if I was to sit down and eat 2 Big Macs, a quarter pounder with cheese, a large chocolate shake, and some large fries, people would think that's normal. But if you sit down and you eat 4 bananas, you're going to become... you're going to get potassium poisoning, or people start talking about sugar. Oh, it's too much sugar. You're going to get diabetes. Please look up how you get diabetes, and I think it's going to surprise most people how you get it. I'm not going to sit there and tell people. I say always research and find out the truth for yourself. Fresh is always best. You can't go wrong with stuff that comes from Jaws Planet, If it comes from the ground, if it comes from a tree, it's way better for you than processed food. Next thing we're going to add is this lemon. Give it a quick little roll. Just strain instead of seeds, keep the seeds out. Whew. Sorry, just squirted that juice all across the kitchen. Right there. And this will help balance out the flavor too. As I stated before, I use these powders. This one has, I'm just going to use the rest of the kale powder. It's about a tablespoon and a half. Spinach powder is going in. Now the spinach, it had more in it. So that's why there's more left. But I'm going to add... Woo, look at that, I made a mess. But if you ain't making a mess in the kitchen, then you're not cooking. Okay? Put the top on. I always tell people keep your blender unplugged until you get ready to use it. It's electronic equipment. You don't want this stuff flipping on unexpectedly. Got that. Made a mess. Hey DJ, give me something I can blend to. It's done. You can make it the thickness that you want. You can put ice in if you want. I don't go through all that stuff. I really don't like having my stuff too cold. Usually drink all my stuff room temperature. And we just pour this in. It's all about the long pour. Here it is, the final product, a delicious fast green shake. I want to thank each and every one of y'all for joining me. I'm Sensei. Hello. Good night.